Man. I gotta get started on this maintenance project, but I can't seem to find any of the tools I need in this chaotic junk drawer. Agent J, hard at work on a project to improve your home base, I gather. Perhaps you'd be interested in learning a more strategic approach. Finding the right tools is crucial for any mission. No kidding. I need to get this project done already. So what's the plan, Agent M? Today, we're going to go from disarray to precision. Our mission is to unlock 3 vaults that contain the essential tools you need. A vault, huh? Let me guess. A series of secret missions leading me to learn exactly what I need to know. Have I got that right? Your secret agent deduction skills are really improving, Agent J. Let's meet up with Agent Mia over at the Spycraft workshop. Agents, welcome to the Essential DIY Tool Vault here at the Spycraft workshop. Whether you're setting up your first apartment, tackling home repairs, or just looking to avoid costly visits from the professionals, mastering these tools and how to keep them organized will empower you to take charge of your space. But first, you'll need to unlock the vaults they're in. Whoa, a first vault! Agent J, in order to get the code, you'll need to test your DIY instincts. Part 1 of mastering the toolbox includes the flathead screwdriver, the utility knife, pliers, the hammer, and the wrench. Wow, will we really use all of these tools when we're adulting? By handling small repairs yourself, you'll save money and boost your independence. Alright, you had me at saving money. Here are our tasks. A nail is loose in your floorboard. You need to remove a screw that got stuck in your bike tire. You need to tighten the screws on your new piece of furniture. You need to open a box without ripping it. A bolt needs tightening, but you need a tool that can adjust to different sizes. Take a moment to match each tool with the correct task in your mission log. Agent M, I think we've cracked the code. Let's see how you did. For the loose nail, we'll need a hammer. It's used for driving nails into materials. Always ensure a stable stance to avoid injury. The screw in the tire requires pliers. These are perfect for gripping small objects or bending wires. They help with precise adjustments in tight spaces. For tightening furniture, we'll need a flathead screwdriver. It has a single flat wedge tip for screws with a single slot. Use the correct size to avoid damage. A utility knife is great for cutting different materials. Always keep your fingers clear and maintain a sharp blade for safety. Ensure the blade is fully retracted and locked after use. When disposing of a used blade, wrap it securely in heavy tape to prevent injury and discard it in a container that is not easily punctured, such as a metal can or a dedicated sharps disposal container. Tightening a bolt that needs an adjustable tool calls for an adjustable wrench. Adjust the jaw to fit the bolt head precisely to avoid damage. Excellent work, agents. Enter the code to unlock the vault. Tool Spy. It worked! Inside this vault, you'll find the next challenge. Here are your tools for part 2 of mastering the toolbox. The rubber mallet, the Phillips head screwdriver, electrical tape, duct tape, and the tape measure. And here are your tasks. You are assembling new furniture and you don't want to leave any marks on the surface. You need to find the length of a wall to make sure your new desk will fit. Your garden hose has a small leak and you need a temporary fix. You need to secure a loose wire in your home theater system. You need to hang a shelf, but the screws need to be turned into the wall. Pause our communication to complete phase 2 in your mission log. Agent M, I think we've got it. Let's find out. Use a rubber mallet for assembling furniture. It's a hammer-like tool that helps fit the pieces together more gently without leaving any marks. As for this one, its use is in the name. We need a tape measure to measure our space for the new desk. Many tape measures are made of metal, so always retract the tape slowly to avoid injury. For temporarily fixing a leak, duct tape is versatile and provides a strong, waterproof fix for temporary patches. Electrical tape is used for insulating wires, protecting them from moisture and reducing electrical hazards. Be sure to use it in dry environments. Finally, you may have guessed, but our screws need a screwdriver. The Phillips head screwdriver is used for cross-slotted screws, providing more torque and precision, especially for ones that are stuck tight. Fantastic. You've now mastered the basic tools. Aha! The next code is Agent Fix. It worked! The second vault is open. Tool maintenance and organization keep chaos at bay and your mission on track. This final vault standing in our way is full of such strategies. So, just tossing everything into a drawer isn't the best plan, huh? Exactly. Storing your tools properly means you can find what you need quickly, and it prevents damage to your gear. How could you organize your tools effectively? Take a moment to brainstorm in your notes. Let's go through some key tips. First, keep your tools clean. Dirt and grime can damage them over time. Wipe them down with a clean cloth and, if needed, use a mild detergent for tougher stains. This ensures they're ready for action when you need them. Next, let's talk about storage. Each tool should have a specific place. Use a toolbox or a pegboard to keep them organized and easily accessible. So, a place for everything and everything in its place, right? Exactly, Agent J. It's like having your own personal armory of DIY gadgets. Finally, regularly check your tools for signs of wear or damage, such as cracked handles or dull blades. Replace or repair them as necessary to keep your toolkit in top working order. A well-maintained tool is always mission ready. Sounds like a solid plan, Agent M. Keeping everything organized will definitely speed up my next project. Hey, the final vault code. DIY007. Seriously? It worked! The final vault is open. Congratulations, Agent J. You've completed your DIY training and have access to all the tools in the Spycraft workshop. So, what's this big project you're working on? Oh, well, I was, trying to build something to, lock the gateway to the Miaverse. But I changed my mind! I finally realized that this new absurd reality of mine is kind of fun. I knew you'd come around, Agent J. Embracing the chaos is all part of the adulting adventure. Plus, with these DIY skills, you can tackle any challenge that comes your way. Mission accomplished, fellow agents. We'll catch you in our next adulting adventure.